You know that I feel good, doing things I never thought I could. Smiling in the mirror, I look good, like I should. I feel great, faking new. I don't know about you, I feel good, doing things I never thought I would. Smiling in the mirror, I look good, like I should. I feel great, faking new. I don't know about you, I feel good.
Congrats! Wait! Congrats for you!
You know that I feel good, doing things I never thought I could. Smiling in the mirror, I look good, like I should. I feel great, faking new. I don't know about you, I feel good. I feel good. I feel good, like I should. I feel great, faking new. I don't know about you, I feel good.
I couldn't ask for more than the blessings that we have now. Alam ko, nauna yung honeymoon kaysa sa kasal. But now we have the greatest gift in life that God could bless us, our son, Caleb. Madalas man tayo mag-away. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na thank you for being the most responsible tatay. I'm sure your son is very grateful to have a man like you in his life.
You're always on my mind. Always on my mind.
Ang ganda-gandang tingnan, no? Kung saan ang isa nina ay magpaparaya. Ina na itinaguyod ang kanilang mga anak. Pero darating ang araw, magpaparaya siya at ibibigay sa kanyang anak yung gusto ng anak na umibig ng ibang tao outside the circle of the family. It's an ordinary tool, but it will make a big difference in our life. Both of you, different responsibilities, working together to create a balanced and harmonious life. One blade represents you, John Paul, and the other blade represents you, Monique. Ang identity niyo na ay togetherness, like a pair of scissors.
All my life I've been waiting for this moment to...
From this day forward, I promise to love you without condition. I promise to be a good wife to you and a good mother to Caleb and our son Monty. I promise to be your best friend, your biggest fan, to always listen to your compromise as we go through life together.
Tama na yung pagiging independent woman mo. Meron ka ng JP, may Caleb ka na, may Mochi ka, na masyasyaran ng problema para tulungan ka. Hindi ka na nag-iisa man. Meron ka ng aawayin pag gusto mo ng away. Pinapangako ko na aalagaan at mamahalin ko kayo ng mga anak natin ng buong buhay ko. Papasanin ko kayo every single day at hindi ko kayo papabayaan. Gagawin ko lahat para sa inyo at para sa ikabubuti niyo.